All right, news back home in the country as far as Maharashtra and the politics of Aurangzeb is concerned. Sena leaders filed a complaint against Samajwadi Party Neta Abu Azmi, who had praised Aurangzeb, and Sena was fuming. Remember, the MP said praising Aurangzeb is unacceptable. Abu Azmi had said that Aurangzeb wasn't a cruel leader. That was a statement made by Abu Azmi.
अबू आजमी के ऊपर देशद्रोह का गुना दाखिल करना चाहिए। यहाँ महाराष्ट्र में नहीं, पूरे हिंदुस्तान में रहने का उनको अधिकार नहीं है। जिस औरंगजेब ने हिंदुओं की सैकड़ों हजारों मंदिरें तोड़कर महिलाओं पे अत्याचार किया, छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज पे क्रूर अत्याचार किया, वो देश के खिलाफ था। उसने अपना देश लूटा। उसका अगर भलामण उसके ऊपर स्तुति सुमन अबू आजमी कर रहे हैं तो ये हमको सहन होने वाला नहीं है। हमारे नेता एकनाथ शिंदे साहब ने सुबह ही मांगनी की है कि अबू आजमी के ऊपर देशद्रोह का गुना दाखिल करना चाहिए।
I'm going straight across to Vidya for more details on that story. Vidya, this reaction but expected, isn't it, given the kind of statement that had been made by Abu Azmi?
Well, Abu Azmi, of course, was speaking in the larger sense that, the Muslims in the country cannot be boycotted now. And the fact that, there was, in the time of an era of Aurangzeb, the entire expanse of India had spread all the way to Afghanistan and other regions. And that's one of the reasons why what he meant was something different. But of course, given the fact that there is a history behind Aurangzeb and the most loved, leader, the Maratha ruler, Shivaji, that Maharashtra has, of course, there are people in Maharashtra now seeking that, Abu Azmi should be tried for treason. The fact that Aurangzeb had tortured Shivaji, and certainly, all these things are going into this entire, conversations that are really happening around this one statement that Abu Azmi had made.
All right, Vidya, getting in those details as far as the politics of Aurangzeb is concerned. Remember, it all started with Abu Azmi making statements talking about the fact that Aurangzeb was not cruel and that he did not destroy temples in the country. And this is something that Shiv Sena has not taken kindly to. The Deputy Chief Minister himself had in fact responded to this, and now there is a complaint against Abu Azmi. Listen in once again.
अबू आजमी के ऊपर देशद्रोह का गुना दाखिल करना चाहिए। यहाँ महाराष्ट्र में नहीं, पूरे हिंदुस्तान में रहने का उनको अधिकार नहीं है। जिस औरंगजेब ने हिंदुओं की सैकड़ों हजारों मंदिरें तोड़कर महिलाओं पे अत्याचार किया, छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज पे क्रूर अत्याचार किया, वो देश के खिलाफ था। उसने अपना देश लूटा। उसका अगर भलामण उसके ऊपर स्तुति सुमन अबू आजमी कर रहे हैं तो ये हमको सहन होने वाला नहीं है। हमारे नेता एकनाथ शिंदे साहब ने सुबह ही मांगनी की है कि अबू आजमी के ऊपर देशद्रोह का गुना दाखिल करना चाहिए।
Maharashtra Samajwadi Party chief and MLA Abu Azmi has strongly defended Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, insisting that he was not cruel. He's built temples and his struggle was to expand the Mughal Empire and not spread Islam. That's where the controversy is raging.